What's up, guys? Yeah, thanks for watching another BENNYTREE MX vlog. It's Tuesday morning, actually, and yeah, probably wondering what I'm doing riding on a Tuesday morning. But yesterday I got a call from, well, a text from a buddy of mine that rides too, and I don't really ride with him a ton, but he sent me a text, and I'll just read it to you real quick. It says, hey, if you can, the Edge is the dealership here, has a couple spots left. You're invited to a Private Husqvarna Ride Day with Mike Brown, Tuesday or Wednesday. Let me know. So yeah, I didn't really know what to expect, but I was like, yeah, for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into work probably half day. It's from 9 to 1 today. I don't think I'll be able to stay the whole time, but yeah, I don't really know, what to expect, like I said, but I'm guessing there'll be a couple different Husqvarna bikes to ride, and yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I've done one of these before. KTM did one a few years back, so yeah, they had like their 2-strokes, their 4-strokes, so I rode 3 or 4 different bikes, and it was a lot of fun. But yeah, this should be cool. I don't really, not sure what the deal is going to be as far as, obviously I have my car, I don't have my bike, so I just brought my gear, and that's it. So yeah, we're just going to Jordan River, and they haven't been open this year, so I'm guessing Husqvarna rented out the whole track, and they, are going to groom and water and whatever else, make it really nice. So yeah, it should be really cool. Really appreciative of my buddy to invite me out, and yeah, should be a pretty good time. It's a little overcast, so we might get a few raindrops, but it doesn't look too bad. So got Mike Brown shredding out there, pretty cool. Never rode the track before, very first time here, and he pretty much does every jump on the track first lap, so what's like when they come just stocked from the factory, what are they kind of set up for as far as weight?
I mean, that's the good thing about them, is that they're adjustable, but I mean the 350 weight range is like 165 to 180 probably.
Okay, cool.
So, but if you want to change them, it's super easy.
No, hey, that's right in my wheelhouse. So I'm like 170, 75.
Dialed
so.
them.
Cool. Oh yeah, latch her up.
Okay.
Forgot my goggles. Dragon. Yeah. Is this a stop? Kill switch? Thought I brought them. Oh, right there.
I wish Jordan would have gone,
Mike Brown.
How are you, buddy?
The man, the myth, the legend. How's it going?
It's good out there, ain't it?
Oh, dude, it's great. You like the track?
Yeah.
First time here, I'm guessing? Yeah, nice.
Really
Yeah. This guy builds good tracks, so.
That's what I was talking about, coming back to my house. I have a lot of land. I want to get a track. I have a track there now, but nobody's here done.
Oh, okay.
I've been there for so many years.
So you still doing enduro, GNCC, anything? No?
I'm going the next week to Italy for World Enduro.
Oh, okay.
But I think that's about it.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, I feel like you're the jack of all trades as far as motorcycles go. I feel like if they had a world championship in motorized unicycling, you'd probably be the world champ.
Oh, good.
You've had an awesome career.
Fun,
yeah. I listened to that Pulp MX interview thing they did with you.
A few weeks ago.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
Just listen about your career and everything.
What do you podcast with, Steve?
Yeah, a podcast and something else. I don't know what that last one was. Was it a podcast?
Yeah, it was like more just a straight interview about your carear and stuff.
Yeah.
So.
People might bag on him, but I love that show. Long listening.
Yeah. I drive around a lot for work, so I just listen all day.
Equipment all day, so I just headphones.
Yeah.
Listen to talk shit.
Is that right if I take the 125 out?
Absolutely, man.
Cool. Did I hear you guys are coming out with a 250 EFI?
Yeah.
2-stroke?
Just the enduro model.
Oh, okay.
For 18.
Cool.
So, but yeah, the others will follow.
Nice.
Didn't you just put gas in it, I thought?
And on the 125,
Yeah.
no, I'm talking about that.
That one, it has still, it's right there.
Oh, geez. Okay, this should be interesting. 125 Husky. Woo! I haven't rode a 125 for who knows how long. When I first started to get into moto, my first bike was a KX 125, so. I started riding when I was like 18, so this will take me back to my teenage years. Oh, it feels like something weird about tire or something, but maybe it's just me. Got nose high on that one, had to get that rear brake. All right, next up is the 250F. I'm gonna try the traction control, see if I can tell a difference. Kevin right here. We ride sometimes, so I didn't know he was going to be here, but it's fun to have him here. Downshift a second, don't get roosted. Arm Pump City. dude, it was so much fun. Really glad that they did that. Really glad that my buddy, you know, let me know about it. Reached out to me. So yeah, it was pretty much just come and ride whatever bike you want. They had a 125 two-stroke, 250 four-stroke, 350 four-stroke, and then a few kind of desert type 350s. I didn't ride any of those, but yeah, it was great. Met Mike Brown and talked to him for a few minutes. Like, nicest guy ever. So that was really cool. He's like the king of two wheels. You know, he's done everything. Supercross, motocross. I think he won the 125 championship back in the day. Enduro cross. So yeah, that was cool that he was there kind of as an ambassador for Husky. So yeah, 125 was so much fun. I needed to remember to clutch and shift. Like, you shift so much more than you do on a 450. So that was a lot of fun. I rode that twice, and you know, just need to keep it to the outside corners and use that clutch. And then I rode the 250 four-stroke, and that was probably the funnest bike I rode. Had awesome power, cornered really well. They had a traction control, so I guess if the bike's rear wheel starts to slip, it kind of mellows out the power. So that was really cool, and I think I could tell a difference. So yeah, I mean, I would honestly buy one, you know, if I get a bike anytime in the next little while. And then I rode the 350, and it was good. I liked it too, but yeah, for the most part, it was awesome. Track was awesome. They groomed and watered it really well. They had food, so you could, you know, munch on some snacks and whatever else. The weather was great. It's raining now here, but the whole time at the track, you know, the weather worked out perfect. It was a little overcast and cool, so the track stayed really good. So yeah, all in all, it was a ton of fun. Yeah, I kind of, you know, upped my opinion about the Husqvarna, so I would definitely buy one. I think it's cool that they do this. I think KTM does it as well. They do kind of ride days every so often at local tracks. So as far as I know, those are the only two manufacturers that do that. So you can tell they're really, you know, have the resources to be able to do that, and putting money back into their program and trying to, you know, let the general public get a, you know, try out their bikes and get a feel for what they have to offer. So thanks Husky, thanks Travis Skeen for inviting me out, and yeah, now I'm just headed to work. So thanks for watching. You know, like the video if you wouldn't mind, leave a comment if you own a Husky, or you know, if you wouldn't mind trying one, or kind of what your thoughts are. Or yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my other videos, go ahead and do that. I'd be really appreciative. So thanks for watching. See you next time.